Well, guys, looks like we have even more parts besides the frame to my new bed. Yeah, we have some headlights that just came in. These, of course, are sunburnt. When I had them, they're already kind of burnt, so I had my detailing guy buff them, but never clear coated them, so it's not surprising that they're yellowed. But yeah, I'm gonna get them as temporary replacements, so I have something to put on while I take these to New Year. So they can go ahead and sand them down and clear coat them for me, and then I'll put them right back on. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open them. Also, I'm gonna provide an Amazon link below for where to get the headlights. They're the same headlights I get for all of these cat eyes. Same manufacturer makes the ones for GMCs. I'm sure you know which ones. They're like the black housing ones, same ones as the white truck. But I'm gonna provide you guys with a link so you can buy them from there. Came in 2-3 days from Amazon, so it's good. And where was I getting at with this? Yeah, it just makes it easy for you. You don't have to look for it or anything. Just click there, buy, and you're good to go. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to install them. Super easy. I really don't think you guys need this, but in case you do, we'll go ahead and do it. So let's make the truck look slightly better. Neglect this one. Just gonna pull it into the driveway. It's very, very dirty. As you can tell, the Brembos are no longer on them because the truck's getting sold, and that was a part of the deal. Of course, I'm gonna take my Texas plates back. That's a must. Yeah, it looks really, really good. Even for being dirty, I did a really good job with this truck. Absolutely love it. So let's go. Man, both trucks look super good together. Planning on doing a shoot possibly this weekend. Yeah, with both of them before the white one goes. New owner gets back from work on Sunday, so it'll be gone, and I will be getting my new motor on the red one. By new motor, I mean the one that is on the white one already, but whatever. So yeah, we're using the vinyl wrap knife to cut everything right now. Much more efficient than the pick or the oh my god, that was not straight. There we go, that was. And sorry if I was a little more formal at the beginning of the video. Just got off work. Usually I have to be professional. Oh my god, working in corporate America is just such a drag sometimes. But yeah, here's the headlights. Oh, so fresh. I'm gonna pull it out for you guys and probably drop it in the process. Surprised I haven't ruined any parts yet shooting and filming these videos, you know what I mean? Alright, cool. Pretty much out. So it has these little tiny things you take off before putting on there. Here's the adjusters, supposedly to adjust the beams. And it has these little protector things you have to take off first. Wrap all the way out to the back. Comes off the lens. So I'm gonna take everything out to pause the video for a bit, and yeah, I'll line it all up so you guys can see it, and I'll show you guys how I'm gonna throw them on. Also, it appears like we have a secondary box that needs to be open, and here's where the turn signals are at. So check them out. So let's talk about how great this is all packaged. The bottom corner, I guess, turn signal lights. They come in a secondary box inside the big box. Answer this saran wrap or bubble wrap. And they come bubble wrapped, so everything's pretty nicely protected, so you don't end up getting any damaged goods. So impressed by that. And these actually don't have that laminate on them. I mean, by these I mean those. But yeah, they look really, really good, really clean. It's gonna make a big difference until these get cleaned up. And yeah, we'll go ahead and throw them on. Also, something I really like to do to these headlights, or I guess headlight kit, is you see these how they use silicone right here to seal them up. Well, sometimes see right here, it doesn't look that well sealed. Get some light on there. Can't really see it anyways, but yeah. Sometimes water gets in there, like if it rains, or I guess snows, if it snows where you live. This will start getting kind of foggy and super annoying. So what I do to them usually is I'll get some black silicone and I'll work my way, around all the lights, let it dry up, and then I'll throw them on. Not going to do that right now because I just don't want to, but I will do it eventually, probably within the next week or so. But you know, these are temporary, so I don't really care too much. But yeah, also gonna throw on some HIDs I have laying around. The ones that don't flicker, so stay tuned for that. All right guys, so right now we're actually going to do the unthinkable. And by the unthinkable, I mean we're gonna pop the hood. Oh my god. You know, like in the Fast and the Furious where we're like, you looked under my hood. I think which one is this one? The one where they go to like Mexico or something. And then the guy gets all mad, he's like, oh my god, you never look under my hood. And, there it is. Alright, cool. Oh yeah, RST goodies. Still need to make that video, by the way, as to what an RST is, and I need to make a rev video for you guys. So good news for you guys, I owe you at least 2 to 3 more videos. RSTs came with those JBA shorty headers and those spark plug wires, painted engine cover, and originally a K&N intake, but when I got this truck from my uncle, it had a Vortex supercharger which replaced that whole thing. It went up here as like an oil feed down there, and that's why he cut that. So he didn't have the intake, so I had to put on the Spectre one in the meantime, which probably makes more power. This thing's like thicker, and it's got carb legal sticker, so California cops don't mess with us. So annoying, but yeah. The Pro Charger's not California legal, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, a lot of nice touches RST did, so it's time to take these off. Oh yeah, I might as well just show you guys how to take these headlights off. So you remove this, and that kind of gets in the way, so you kind of have to, you know, like jimmy it under it, I guess. Then it comes off. I usually put it there because I'm too lazy to do anything else with it. So then this should actually just pop right off. I cannot tell you guys how weird it is doing this while filming. Oh my god. Aha, there we go. Did not scratch anything. So yeah, and then you just twist these off. Well, not gonna be able to do that. But you just twist these off and it comes right out. Alright, so now onto the bottom. You can see a little tab right there. That thing right there. You push it with your fingers. Oh my god. I have like the weakest fingers of all time. Anyways, I'll try my other ones. I got it. Alright, so then it comes out, and then it's got like these little tab things that it, you know, slides off of. Why is this being complicated? There we go. See, and then like just slides right up, and then once again, twist off the lights, and you're good to go. And that'll be that. That'll be it for the side. Also, quick side story. As you can see, the truck is, you can't see right now, but you know, it's mostly red with black stripes and a little bit of chrome. Actually, right before I went to go buy this, I bought this watch before I went to go pick it up because it matches it, you know. They got the red with the black stripes. This is a little more black with a red stripe, but it's awesome. I've had it for what, 4.5 years. Still an awesome watch. A little tag hero action. I thought it was really cool when I had a Nixon, and then I put this on, and it's like you can't even compare it. Then it's also way more expensive. But yeah, gotta do this. And I think we got it off. Or a little tiny one down there too. Just do it off too. Yes. And it's off. And we'll put it inside the truck. So I'm actually gonna go to my buddy from New Year's place a little later because, well, I lost all power to this window. Locks weren't working, switch wasn't working, the power window wasn't working, or sorry, mirror, and I couldn't even control it from that side. So I was like, oh man, I thought it was a fuse, I thought it was something electrical. So I went to O'Reilly and I bought a brand new switch, and lo and behold, it started working. Switch though was $170. It's a lot of money. So I gave Renee from New Year a bunch of the parts from the Escalade, one of which was actually the passenger side door panel, and I'm like, hey dude, give me that window switch. So yeah, I'm gonna go get that, return this, we'll be solid, so we can use that money towards the tune for when this thing's supercharged. And I think I'm just gonna, I mean, it's cool if I just skip that, right? Like, that'd be cool. You guys want to get mad? Yeah, there's no point. I'm just gonna skip and get this side off, make it faster. Alright guys, so here's the HIDs that I was talking about. Alright guys, so here are the HIDs I was talking about. They're just really light, you know, 6K. Very basic. You connect your factory connection to that. has to tape it over, and then from there to the actual HID bulb. Difference here is they're called quick starts. It says 9 to 16 volts, so that's what they start at, and then they end up at 13.5 volts. So these are for the newer cars that don't that have HIDs from the factory. So anyways, what these do is, you know, if you guys buy those $30 HIDs kits on eBay or whatever, and you know, you'll notice that when you turn the truck on, sometimes both headlights won't turn on, or none of them will, or sometimes they both will, and you gotta, you know, turn your headlights off, turn them back on, you know, keep doing it, and it's annoying, right? Nobody wants to do that. That's why I wasn't gonna do them. But when I found out about these, went ahead and bought these. Turn on every single time, 100%. You don't have to worry about anything else. That's all you do. And they are more expensive, maybe 3 to 4 times the cost, but you don't have to worry about your HIDs not turning on, which is worth a lot of money. And I got the bottom on already, so I guess we can kind of do a comparison. Oh, I should have done one side at a time. Well, whatever. There they are, and they look already looks way better. Everything's buttoned back up. Everything's clipped into place. Yeah, excited for that. It's gonna make the truck look so much newer. Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna finish the other side off camera. Make it a bit quicker for myself. Alright guys, there they are. Fully installed. To be completely honest, not a huge fan. You know, they look really good on all the trucks, right? I mean, they look amazing on my white truck back there. Like really good, like there's nothing better looking. But for these, I don't know, I was just kind of used to the red surround inside them, which I can do to these if I wanted to, but they're really clean though, very clean. Gonna be running them for a while till the other ones get fixed. I mean, they're not bad, like, it looks really good from here. It's just when you look at it from the front where they don't look that great, you know what I mean? And it's probably because, you know, the black stripes, or maybe the grills. I'm thinking of making the grills billet again. They're just plastic dipped, so I might get some gas and clean them up a little bit. And then, you know, if I want to go back to black, I'll actually powder coat them. But yeah, guys, there are the headlights. Look pretty cool, pretty cool. And we have the stock one's over here, much better. But, you know, super yellowed, and it's actually kind of amplified because of the sun right now. But yeah, so they look. Alright guys, so once again, there's the headlights. You know, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And once again, I do have the link for the exact headlights that I just installed down below in the description. Go ahead and check it out if you want them. You know, pretty good quality, you know, for what they are. And also, I am trying to make my videos a little longer. I know a lot of you guys have just, you know, requested that, you know, like, hey, like, what's up with these 2-3 minute videos, even 5 minutes, which I originally thought was super long. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna try and make them at least 10 for you guys now, you know, add a little bit of content. You know, any suggestions on what you guys want to see, let me know. I know a lot of you guys want to hear an exhaust video, and I will be doing that hopefully this weekend before I do any work to the truck, so you guys can hear it. And yeah, we'll go from there. Expect a lot of truck content, and as always, make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.